For more than 100 years, the Pittard Campus School has been a part of the Murfreesboro community, growing right alongside generations of students and families. And that history really came to life during a recent open house, where people were invited to walk the halls and see how far the school has come.
We're having open house and we've got tours going on. We've got student ambassadors giving tours. We have displays in the gym by decades. We have a history that started in 1911 when the school was started by the state of Tennessee.
But the day wasn't just about looking back. It was also about celebrating someone who helped shape that history. Former choir director Nancy Boone was recognized for her time in the classroom and the impact she made on students through music. In the library, a crowd gathered to hear from Boone herself as she accepted the honor and reflected on her time at the school.
Well, it's a wonderful place to be, and we just want to share that with everyone. And we particularly want to share Nancy Boone because she's done so much for the school.
Campus School has always been a partnership, bringing together the university and the local district to create a connected learning environment. And events like this give people a chance to not only see that legacy, but really be a part of it.
Well, we're just glad everyone is here and they're having a good time. So we're just glad to have everyone and for them to know about Campus School and its wonderful history.
For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.